Have you ever wondered if you can grow an apple tree from a store-bought apple? It's indeed possible, though it takes patience and understanding of the germination process. Stay with us as we delve into the step-by-step process of growing your apple tree. First things first, you need to get the seeds. This involves delicately slicing through a ripe store-bought apple. Carefully extract the seeds nestled within, treating them with tender care to keep them intact. With your seeds ready, we can move on to the next step. Now that you have your apple seeds, it's time to prepare them for germination. The key step here is stratification, a fancy term that essentially means mimicking winter conditions. By storing your seeds in a cool, damp environment, you're tricking them into thinking they've been through a winter, encouraging them to sprout when conditions improve. This stratification process can take a few weeks, but it's an absolutely vital step for successful germination. With stratification complete, your seeds are now ready to be planted. Now comes the exciting part, planting your apple seeds. Begin by selecting a pot filled with good quality soil. Press each seed about ½ inch deep into the soil, creating a cozy little home for them to grow. Remember, these seeds thrive with regular watering and ample sunlight, so don't be shy with the watering can and find a sunny spot for your pot. With proper care, your apple seeds will sprout into seedlings and eventually grow into apple trees. Growing an apple tree from a store-bought apple is not an overnight job. It's a journey, beginning with unearthing the seed, prepping it for germination, and then planting and nurturing it. Yes, it requires patience, but the reward is a living testament to your dedication. Imagine biting into a crisp apple from your own tree. So, give it a try. Remember, every big apple tree starts from a tiny seed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.